This poem was written in a quiet moment when I felt both the weight of silence and the gentle movements of thoughts turning into words. I often find myself drawing invisible lines between sound and silence, between inner life and the world outside. Writing is one of the ways I give those lines color and meaning. There is such silence in nature's great dome. Clouds cover the blue with their gray, drifting slowly in one direction along an invisible line. There is such stillness sitting with my back to life, pretending nothing, only breathing, hearing a car passing by, and my ears draw a line from one distant point to another. Can one follow that line, and how would it appear, colored or in shades of gray, thin or bold? In the distance it curls. In my teasing fantasy, the car has turned into a pencil. The line becomes writing, words. Silence descends and words are flowing. The line manages to express perhaps my very own words. Colors before my eyes, purple, blue, red and yellow, all the lovely flowers in line with one another's beauty. The line of life should not be shaded in grey, the sky not heavy and overcast. I push them away and see the blue, feeling the sun give life.